Hello all. In this video, we are going to see about simple linear regression. So simple linear regression is to find out a relationship between just two variables. So we will be predicting the value of y using value of x. That means there will be only one value with which we are going to predict the value of y. The purpose of this is to forecast the dependent value. Dependent value is y from an independent value. Now, in this, we are not going to consider x1, x2, xk. We are just going to consider x1. That means we are just going to use one variable to predict the output of another variable. Now, to do this, we will follow the steps from the previous example. The first step is to load the data into the data frame. Now, if you look at the example data that I'm going to use a data set called lung capacity data. So this has the lung capacity, age, height, smoke, gender, and cesarean. Now we are just going to use just two variables. We are just going to use lung capacity and age. So we are going to predict the lung capacity using age. They're just two variables. So let's see how we do it. This is simple linear regression. The first step is to load the data. Before that, we'll have to get WD, which gets the um, present working directory. So we are in the correct working directory. Get the working directory. Second step is to load the data. So to load the data, we have seen in the previous videos, either you can use the import data set or you can write a code to import the data set. I'm going to use the import data set, or maybe we will do this. Import the data set. Now the data set that I'm going to import is data, just a data frame, okay, or let's say df for understanding. Df data frame read.csv. Before this, we should have loaded the library readr. I'm going to read it from a CSV file. So the file name is, let's get the file name. The file name is lung capacity data.csv. So just go and put the data file name dot csv comma header equal to true. So we are just loading the data. So you can see that the data has been loaded. So if you want to see what are all the column names available in this file, you can say names view column names. So you can say names of df. Give you the column name. So it is saying that these are the column names available. Now I want to create, or you can also use str, which is the structure of data files, which will say what is the data type and what are the categories. So lung capacity is numeric, age is integer, height is numeric, smoke is a factor, gender is a factor. Like that, it has given the details. Now what we will do is, so in order to do a linear regression, the two variables that we are talking about should be correlated, or they should have some linear relationship among themselves. So how do we know? We can do a simple plot. So scatter plot of variables, right? So I'll say plot of, what should we plot? We will plot age against lung capacity. We will say df dollar age comma df dollar lung capacity, and then I'm going to give a name to this. Main is equal to scatter plot. Then, so now you can see that there is a linear relationship among themselves. Okay, there is some linear relationship. In order to further establish, we will find the correlation coefficient between age and the lung capacity. So for that, the function is cor, and then you will say age, or df dollar age comma df dollar lung capacity. So it says now it has a correlation of 81%. So which means it is fairly linear. Now what we will do is we will build a model. So linear model. So we just give a name. So this linear model is just a name. Then we are going to use a function called lm. Lm is the base function of R, which says linear model. So we are going to predict, okay, lung capacity, lung cap, and then using, so that tilde symbol is basically using what. Now this is a simple linear regression, so we are going to just predict it using age, and then you will have to say data is equal to, what is our data frame, df. Then the model is created. So now the model is created. The model's parameters will be stored in LM. Suppose if you want to see summary of this model, you will say summary of linear model. So when you run it, you will get these data. So the data that you get is, now I'm just refreshing it. The data that you get for this model is, you will say what is the formula, what are all the residuals. So these are all the intercepts. Suppose if you look at the actual formula for the linear regression, it is basically y is equal to mx plus c, and then there is one error term. So y is the independent variable, x is the dependent variable, beta naught is y intercept, and beta 1 is the slope. So if you look at the our example in the data, this slope is given by this age, okay, this is the slope and this is your intercept, okay, and then you have some other values like the residual error. The residual standard error is nothing but, if you look at the formula, this epsilon, okay, this epsilon gives you the residual standard error. This tells you how much on an average your predicted value is deviating from the actual value. Then you have multiple R squared. R squared basically explains how well your value of y is explained by the value of x. Okay, we will see further into these details as we go on into multiple linear regression. Now, if you want to know what are all the parameters available in this model, okay, so you can simply say attributes of that linear model, then it will give you, okay, so these are all the values available. Suppose if you just simply want the coefficients, that is, if you just want beta naught and beta 1, you can simply say linear model of COEFF, or you can say coefficients or whatever, okay. So then, sorry, uh, you can say, you don't even have to use this, you can simply say linear model dollar coefficients, right, and then you press enter, so it will just give you the coefficients alone, right. So like this you can find out. So you can actually do any one of them. So you can say linear model dot terms, then will give you the terms, then x levels, rank, whatever you want to call, you can do this. Now actually by doing a linear model, we have actually found out that line y is equal to mx plus c. Now if you look at this scatter plot, this doesn't have that that line. So what I can do is I can say AB line, okay, of that model, linear model. Now when you see this, you can see that that line is created here, okay, this is that line, but that line is not visible, so we just color it. So ab line of this comma color is equal to 4 comma line width, LWD is line width. I'm just going to give a line width of 3 so that it is visibly clear. You can see that the this thing has also come, okay. So this is basically doing a simple linear regression. That means we are predicting the value of y using just one x. Okay, and these are all the various things that you can do when you are doing a simple linear regression. Thanks.